Hey and welcome to my Explaindio review. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Nico. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day, and in this channel, I give honest digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. In this video, I am gonna tell you everything you need to know about Explaindio software. What exactly it is, how it works, plus the demo video. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. And this is coming up. So basically, here we're on the sale page. Work less and earn more with Explaindio Business Edition. Discover secret warp video technology, which makes more sales of both your own and affiliate products, and makes businesses crave your video services even if you have no clue how to make a video. Animation, explainer, doodle sketch, and motion videos in minutes. With the Explaindio, you are able to create attention-grabbing professional videos within minute. It's simple, easy to use with drag-and-drop content editor. You get access to the Doodle animation and whiteboard videos, 2D and 3D animated videos, full motion videos, explainer videos. Explaindio is the only video app with warp technology on the market. Here's how it works. Just create your next videos in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create. Just pick an object or action to get started. Step 2. Customize. Edit with your message and custom effects. Step 3. Export and share. Export to your computer and share. Now, I will show you a detailed demo of this software, and I will come back to show you the bonuses you will get when you go through the link in the description below.
What you're about to see is 4 short micro demos. In this demo, I'll show you how easy it is to create your next 2D and 3D video, a doodle animation video, a full motion video, and an explainer video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Here we are inside the Explaindio platform. You'll notice it's a desktop software, available for both Windows and Mac operating system. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and laid out Explaindio is. Okay, let's start with the first mini demo. We'll start by simply creating a slide. Next, we'll create the first animation using either an Explaindio slide or any SWF slide animation. For this demo, we'll use a 2D animation that you will have available to you. Let's pick this one and add a single slide. From there, you can preview and add slide. Next, we'll add a second slide. We'll pick this one and add single slide, and complete it with add. You'll notice the timeline above will automatically start to add these slides, and you can simply drag the slides as you want. Last, for this demo, we'll add a 3D object. After we add the 3D object, you'll see you can edit the timeline and check the preview in real time. Now you can see the video we created together right here. To customize the 3D object is easy. We can go to the 3D object setting and load any JPEG image to overlay on your 3D object. And as you can see, it will instantly add to your creation. Now, let's take a look at what we created. Awesome, right? And you saw just how easy it was to create. Okay, let's jump into the next mini demo. Doodle animation videos are just as easy. We'll start by adding a slide. From here, we'll select Sketch Image, and you'll load our sketch image gallery. For this demo, we'll select this woman who is thinking. Once loaded, you'll be able to drag the doodle image around and edit the image as you want for size and animation. Okay, let's add quick text by clicking the Add Text button. We can drag it around and easily add text right in the Easy to Edit text box on the right side. You can edit everything, from font family to text size. And on the timeline, you can easily edit the way the sketch is drawn with our options. For this demo, we'll use Sketch by hand. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed. Let's add another doodle sketch. Adjust the sketch style to fade in, and adjust the timeline. Last, we'll add one more doodle sketch into this frame. Now one more text to make it nice and easy. Adjust the timeline, and alright, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila! You can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Explaindio, you'll be able to create realistic doodle images in just minutes. just like I showed you in this demo. Now, let's jump into the next demo. Alright, so in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion video. We'll start by adding a slide, then adding an animation slide on the bottom. In the library, we'll add the first animation option, then we'll add another one. Then simply adjust the timeline, one more animation. And let me edit the timeline so they show up one after another. Now, as we close this canvas, you'll automatically see the preview start to appear. Let's go ahead and start by customizing each animation. You'll notice that each slide has options, such as the ability to add text, image, video, animation, or outline. For this demo, we'll add an image to the placeholder as seen, and I'll pick an image from my computer. Clicking the play button shows a small demo of what we've built so far. Let's go ahead and edit the text area to customize it fully. You'll see you have the ability to edit 2 lines and adjust everything, from word wraps to font size and so forth. Now, let's edit the logo in this slide. We simply go to Image, select Image Area 2, and pick an image. And we can adjust that image by going to Outline and turning on and off different areas of the image. Let's go to Animation Slide number 2, and we'll do the same thing. Add our own images to each image area from the computer as you're seeing right now. Then we'll jump to Slide 3 and do the same. Adding images from our desktop is easy, and you can customize it in just seconds as you're seeing in front of your eyes. And now that we're done, let's take a look at what we just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you how easy it is to create powerful, mind-blowing full motion videos with Explaindio. Okay, last but not least, let me show you my favorite demo of them all. Okay, the final mini demo is for an explainer video. Let's start by creating a slide, adding an animation, then another one, and then one more. You'll notice in this style of video, it creates and builds a timeline. As you click on each, you'll see a preview appear on each one accordingly. Now, let's edit each simply by clicking on the slide and editing the text first. You can change the words, the text color, the font family, the size. You can customize everything. Then we can adjust the image simply by editing the image. We'll add a logo in there, adjust the size, then remove the outline, and preview time. Boom! That's it! Right in front of you, you can see how easy it is to create a powerful, highly engaging explainer video. Just like you saw me build it in front of your eyes in the last 60 seconds, anyone can do it, simply by selecting and filling in the blanks. Simple, easy to use, and no tech skills required.
It's an easy video creation wizard. You have the keyframe animation built in transitions. You can import videos in popular format such as AVI, WMV, FLV, MOV and MP4, and you can get access to over 1 million stock photos and videos, and to use that as a background feature as well. And if you decide to grab a copy of the Explaindio, you will get access to some of the premium bonuses that is being offered during this special launch video. Here are the bonuses you will get if you buy today. Bonus 1. Premium Agency License. For the very first time, since we released the first version of Explaindio over 5.5 years ago, you get the agency version of the software with initial purchase. Bonus 2. Free upgrade to Next Explaindio Plus Early Beta Access. For over 6 years, Explaindio has been continuously growing, with several hundreds of updates already done and many major upgrades released. Simple, reasonable pricing. App is priced to fully support our users and to hire the top developers who have been improving the software continuously for more than 5 years already. Explaindio Business Edition software. 600 pre-done animated scenes. 500 Doodle sketch images. 6 animated characters. 300 plus fonts. Background audio tracks. 500 full HD background videos. Access to gated Explaindio users group. Explaindio truly fills a very needed gap in the video marketing industry by removing the tedious need to bounce between video scribing programs and other programs. The ability to take care of everything within one intuitive program is not only super valuable, it also means making marketing videos is now outright fun. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Explaindio, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next review video.